If you're encountering the vault lock message on RoboForm 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and regain access to your vault. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for RoboForm to authenticate your credentials and unlock the vault. Step 2. Restart RoboForm. Close the RoboForm application completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the program and resolve minor glitches that may cause the vault to remain locked. Step 3. Enter your master password. When prompted, carefully enter your master password. Make sure the caps lock is off and that you are typing the password correctly, as it is case sensitive. Step 4. Update RoboForm. Check for any available updates for RoboForm. An outdated version may have bugs that could lead to issues like the vault being locked. Update to the latest version if necessary. Step 5. Contact support. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly fix the vault locked issue on RoboForm 2026 and regain access to your stored information.